Among the control room operators, the all-sport operator will be responsible for entering the game in progress information, such as home and guest team name and scores. What does the all-sport operator do? They are responsible for turning on power to the console, starting a new game, entering the correct code, entering the home and guest team names. During the game, starts and stops the game clock, starts and stops the play clock, enters the score, enters timeouts, quarter, possession, and more. Some tasks within the all-sport menu are sport-specific, however the general use is common across sports. The control console consists of 6 main elements including the LCD, menu navigation, numeric keypad, a sport-specific insert, time control, and horn start. The LCD element is where you find the game information. In most cases, the top line of the LCD shows the main clock time, direction the clock is counting, and when the main horn is sounding, while the bottom line typically shows the home and guest team scores. The numeric keypad is used to enter in values such as main clock time or number of quarters. You will also utilize the LCD when you are editing items in the main navigation. The main navigation allows users to select options specific for each sport. The up and down arrow keys allow the user to scroll through menu options. Sport inserts allow a single console to control multiple sports. Depending on the sport being scored, there is a sport-specific insert that will allow the correct fields to be entered. This can be inserted along the left-hand side of the console. The console changes the settings for what it will control based on the number entered. The code is found on the upper left corner of the insert. This is entered by using the numeric keypad in the LCD. Custom codes are not shown on the insert and can be written on the space provided on the insert. A sport insert identifies the keys required for normal operation of a specific sport. In most cases, pressing a key immediately changes the scoreboard. Keys that require entry of additional information are marked by a dot. This additional information is usually a number followed by the enter key. Keys with arrows activate an indicator, possession, bonus, etc. on the scoreboard. The direction of the arrow selects the appropriate team, home or guest. Some keys are labeled +1, +2, or +3. By pressing one of these keys once, the corresponding field on the scoreboard, such as score or period, increments or increases by the amount printed on the key. A key with 1 minus decreases by 1. On most inserts, certain keys have been grouped together under the heading home or guest. These keys are team keys and work the same for both teams. They affect the statistics only for that one team. Keys not under one of these headings are game keys. They are general keys for the progress of the game, such as period or quarter. Other keys may be grouped in a similar way to emphasize that they work together. Time control allows the user to set the main clock time, set the clock to count up or down along with starting and stopping the clock. Time control can be controlled from the main keypad or a handheld remote. If a horn has been purchased with the system, the console can allow the user to set the horn to sound automatically or manually. Horn control can be controlled from the main keypad or from a handheld remote.